Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to add your image to your My Lead Gen Secret Blast. Now, there's videos out there that talk about that, and actually, there's a whole training in the back office of the My Lead Gen Secret platform that I'll show you that shows you how to do it. But what I want to do is I want to show you my way. Why am I going to do that? Well, as an affiliate marketer, we need to create a way to daily bring in leads to our opportunities, right? And in order to bring leads into our opportunities, we need to continue to create content, right? Content is king, right? I'm a list builder and I find ways to bring in leads so I can build my list. Now, one key thing that I will tell you about being on an online space, being an affiliate marketer is, in order to be successful, you need to master the repetition, right? You need to master the mundane. To be successful, you need to master the mundane. And what do I mean by that? In the online space, and you see it all the time, people are making the same videos over and over and over again, or posting the same content over and over and over again, right? That's because we are masters of repetitive tasks, masters of the mundane, because we know that when we do that, it allows us to be successful, right? We are conquering that boredom that you may feel from doing the task over and over and over again, right? Like for instance, you may do something so repetitive, like you don't think you're doing it, you feel like you're running in place, but really what you're building momentum. So the key point is, I guess what I'm trying to say is, as an affiliate marketer, as an online marketer, we are masters of the mundane, masters of the repetitive tasks. Here's another example. Just think about this. You can go to work every day, no matter if you're flipping burgers, making tacos, or building buildings, an architect, right? You're going to be doing the same task over and over and over again, right? How do you conquer that? Why? You conquer it mentally because you say, what? I'm doing this because my why, right? This is your why. I'm doing this because I have to provide for my family. I'm doing this because I want to generate income. So it's the same concept when you're doing affiliate marketing and online marketing, and you're a influencer on YouTube, on Facebook, and you're doing the same tasks over and over and over again. You're mastering the mundane. You're creating content to bring in leads to your opportunity. And once you master that, you will be successful. A lot of people get bored of posting social media posts all day, right? The reality is, the mental thing behind that is you're doing it over and over again. And the people who can't master that are the people who fail and don't succeed. But anyway, I'm off of that topic. Let's go into what I'm here for, and that is to show you how to put your image into your email blast for your My Lead Gen Secret platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this, and we're going to go to my Lead Gen Secret here. And as you know, My Lead Gen Secret is a platform where you can get 100 to 200 leads a day, and it's perfect if you're on a budget and you're trying to do different things. If you need leads to promote your opportunity to, this is a way to do it affordably, $1 a day, $30 a month. You don't have to do anything else. Go to a free affiliate network like ClickBank or Warrior Plus and promote it to see how it works. It also provides you a way to practice emailing and doing different things like that. So people always say, where do the leads come from? And I'll scroll down here, and all you have to do is click a small checkbox when they sign up. So leads who request more information are literally saying, give me more. These are where the leads come from. This is 100% legit opportunity where they get the leads from, right? And they gather them, and then they divvy them up amongst the My Lead Gen Secret members, right? So let's dive right in here and show you how to do this image add to here. The two platforms that you will need are My Lead Gen Secret and a site called, let's see if I can find it. It's called Imgur, and I'll type it here so you can see. IMGUR. Imgur, right? That's what it's called. Click there, and let's see if my screen is small enough. Let me minimize the screen here so you can see the whole screen on my monitor here. It's called Imgur, right? And this is what the website looks like. And I'm telling you, but besides for just storing your images online, this is also a place where you can come and get content to post on your social media platforms. Let's sign. But so like as you can see, it has different posts that you can take and post on different social media. They're easy to download, but they're also, you know, how you draw people to your profiles and things like that. So so these are the two platforms you need: Imgur and My Legion Secret. So you log in here into the My Legion Secret your account, right? I don't know why puts me in a loop every time. But anyway, you log in. Let me see, what the heck? Okay, so there's my back office. Man, this is doing terrible. This one email I sent this morning is terrible, right? Anyway, I'm sidetracked. So we'll go to mail, go to mail, and as you know, this is where you select your leads for the day. This is where you can select the pre-written email. If you wanted to load an email that you sent already, you just come here under Saved Emails, select the one you want, click that, and hit load, right? And here's your email subject line. As you can see, it loads here, and the content is here. As you can see, it has everything. It already has the picture that I sent for that day. And this is cool because I'm going to show you how to do that, right? So what we'll do is, we'll come here, and I want to get an email that probably doesn't have an image. Let me see, load. Let me see if this one has an image. That one already has an image. So let's just blow this out. And blow this out. I want to copy this text so I can show you. Blow this out here. Boom, boom. Blow that. Boom, boom. Oops, I'm pressing the wrong button. Get rid of all of that. Delete. Right. So now that's empty. That field is empty. Okay, so where the training is already for it is right here. If you look real close, it says Mailing System 101. You click that, and it brings up this box. And here's a 30-minute video that shows you how to do everything. Let's see. Let me enlarge it, maybe.
You'll see red text that says import affiliate.
You see that? That video right there shows you how to do everything already. So how do you find that again? You're on your mailing system page, and right here under Mailing System 101 training video, it shows you how to do everything that I'm about to show you, okay? I think it uses a different platform though. So if I wanted to create a image here, I would put my email text, right? I would go to where I want my image to be, right? And I would see this little button here where it says image. That's what you're gonna need to pick, right? But first, let's go over to Imgur. Now this is the platform where you're gonna have your images at. Now in order for this to work, you have to have a website address for in order to put your image on this platform, because they don't store images for you. So you have to have a third party where you're going to keep your images at, and that's where Imgur comes into play. I hope I'm explaining this good enough. I might have to redo the video, but create a free account here, and what you do is you upload whatever image that you want on your website, on any website, right? You just upload whatever image that you want. As you can see, I have all kinds of images here because I use these images. So, like, for instance, this is my picture image. So I have it uploaded already. And all you see, you have a website address here. So I would copy this website address, just hit copy, and it copies to your clipboard, right? And it copies this address. Now come back over to where you want it on your My Legion Secret email, where you have your cursor here, and you click that image button right there. And it'll pop this up and it says URL. Now it says image info URL. So that's where you're going to put the URL from Imgur, M-I-G-U-R, Imgur. And then once you put that JPEG URL there, you hit enter. Well, let's do it again. Once you put that there, you click down here and it pops up, right? Now, the image is going to be super big. Now let's go back down here. The image is huge, right? Let's go here. And all you got to do is double click it and type in a width and a height. And I can put 300 by that, and then that minimizes it down to here, right? So you can do that. So that's one way to do that, right? So let me delete that out of there again. Now, if I try to do it again, I can show you this way to resize the image. You put your URL here again, you click right here, and it shows you the width and the height, and you can just easily change it right here, right? 300, boom. And I put this to 300, boom, it adjusts to be proportional. You hit OK, and boom, here's your image. It goes wherever your cursor was, and if I wanted to drag it, see, I don't think you could drag it. So all I would do is delete it again, put my cursor where I want the image, click there, put my URL, like I said, go back to mgur, grab the URL for the direct link, copy, paste it here, boom, click here, change this to 300, and hit OK. And that just put the image right where I wanted to put it, right? But like I said, that's how you copy the image. You can do that with any images. As you can see, I can do that with that one. Enter. Put my cursor here again. Let's go back to mgur and let's grab another image so I can show you again. Okay, so we'll get a different image this time. Close this. Let's go with this. Look. Let's go with this opportunity right here. Me and my dog. So I'll go copy. Right? Copy the URL. I go back here. My images, click this image button right here. Let's go back. Do this again. Click this image button right here. Put that URL that I copied right there. Click here. Adjust the size to the size I want it to be and hit OK. So now I got two images there. I got my own image here and then, me and my dog here. You see how easy that is? That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. But anyway, that's all I was doing in this video. I just wanted to show you how you do that. Like I said, the platform that I use to store my images online is mgur, migur.com. It's a place, it's right here, migur.com. And I'll leave a link for this in the description box below so you can easily create a free account. It's for free. And then, that's all you do. You click this little icon here, put that image address there, hit OK, and now your image is here. And then if I can't do it because I already have sent, I got 17 hours. But that's how you do it. It's easy, simple. Oh yeah, and right here is where you'll find that training, right? You'll go to your back office where it says mailing system. You'll click mailing system 101 training. And like I said, it's a 30-minute video that walks you through how to do exactly what I showed you. See how right here, he's showing you how to do the image and all of that. But he uses a different platform. But anyway, that's all that I got. I just wanted to make that quick video just to show you how to do that. I know I always get off on a rant, but hope you enjoyed the content. Is there anything else I want to show you? Nope. Hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, subscribe. I hope this helped somebody out, and I hope it provided value. And if you choose to partner with me in the My Lead Gen Secret platform, there'll be a link in the description box below. I'll help you out. I'll provide you some email templates. And if you got any questions, drop them in the comment box. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I'm out.